bank. Who's there? I'm wondering if it's the other ghost of the owner, the original owner that opened the hotel. I'm not going to do too much spirit box communication, but I feel like it is worth doing. If you want to use this spirit box, it's actually an app, and there's a link down below that you can download this app. It's amazing. A lot of paranormal investigators use it. Very, very trusted app. So let's go ahead and start. I just heard Mom. Are you scared of the dark? You're not scared of the dark? You're not here to start trouble, are you? I should. Who was it that talked to us by the elevator? Who said to get in the elevator? I'm gonna try this. It's from the same makers of the app that I use. It's another app that it's a little bit slower, and you could kind of control it as far as the speed of the voices coming in through the bank. Who's there?